Welcome, kindred spirits, to a place of positivity, passion, and purpose. Welcome, curious minds, to our video that explores the ins and outs of 2011. Is the 9th Neptune Trojan discovered? It was first observed on 29 April 2011 during the New Horizons KBO Search using the Magellan II telescope at Las Campanas Observatory in Chile. It has the same orbital period as Neptune and orbits at the Lagrangian point about backwards of Neptune. Now, let's shift our perspective and explore orbit and classification from a different angle. Neptune Trojans are resonant trans-Neptunian objects TNO in a mean motion orbital resonance with Neptune. These Trojans have a semi-major axis of very similar Neptune's 30.1 AU. Orbits the Sun with a semi-major axis of 30.219 AU at a distance of AU once every 166 years and 1 month 60,675 days. Its orbit has an eccentricity of 0.08 and an inclination of with respect to the ecliptic. Among the first 17 Neptune Trojans discovered so far, it is the one with the highest inclination. Get ready for a thought-provoking discussion as we delve into diameter and albedo and its impact on our understanding. Based on a generic magnitude to diameter conversion, it measures approximately 100 kilometers in diameter using an absolute magnitude of 8.1 and an assumed albedo of 0.1. It is an average-sized body among the first 17 Neptune Trojans discovered so far, which measure between 60 and 200 kilometers for an absolute magnitude of and an assumed albedo of 0.1. Without further ado, let's move on to the topic of surface. Observations with NIRSpec showed that the spectrum of 2011 does not exhibit clear Triton-like ice-tholin features. The surface is likely covered in a thin layer of water ice and co-ice. Due to the variable color classification of this object, it is suspected that inhomogeneities in the surface composition exist. Now, let's delve into the intricacies of numbering and naming and explore its various aspects. Due to its orbital uncertainty, this minor planet has not been numbered and its official discoverers have not been determined. If named, it will follow the naming scheme already established with Unspectra, which is to name these objects after figures related to the Amazons, an all-female warrior tribe that fought in the Trojan War on the side of the Trojans against the Greek. As we progress through this video, let's shift our attention towards exploration and uncover its hidden depths. In October 2012 was the closest known object of any kind to the New Horizons spacecraft. In mid to late 2013, New Horizons passed within 1.2 AU of where it would be detectable with one of the onboard instruments. An observation from New Horizons would measure the phase curve at phase angles unobtainable from Earth. The New Horizons team eventually decided that they would not target for observations because the preparations for the Pluto approach took precedence. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video.